Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Darwin has taken the idea of evolution from these Padma Purana. You won't find any philosophy, any doctrine in the world which is not found in the Vedic literature. It is so perfect, everything is there. So, the anthropomorphism, or what is called? Anthropology of Darwin is there in the Padma Purana. It is very nicely described. Darwin cannot explain what are the number of the species different, but Padma Purana states that there are 900,000 species of life within water, within the ocean. And above the ocean, as soon as the ocean water is dried up, the land is coming out, immediately the vegetation begins. Different types of plants and trees then come out. So, Jalajana Balkhani Sthavara Lakha Vinsati. 2 million Lakha Vinsati. 100,000. That is 2 million. Anyway. Sthavara means those who cannot move. There are different types of living entities. The trees, the plants, they cannot move. The other type of living entities, just like the birds, the bees, the human beings, they can move. So Sthavara and Jangama. Jangama means those who can move, and Sthavara means those who cannot move. The hills, the mountains, they are also amongst the Sthavaras. They are also living entities. There are many hills that are growing. That means there is life. But in the lowest stage of stone. So in this way, we are making progress. Thavara Lakkhamisati. Krimayo Rudra Sankhata. Reptiles and worms. Rudra Sankha means 1100,000. Then from reptiles, worms, the wings grow, birds, from wings growing, then it comes to the bird's life. Pakshina Dasalakhani, 100,000 of birds. And then Pasava Trinsulakhani, 4-legged animals. They are 100,000. So 9 and 20. 29, then 11. 40, and then birds 10, 50, beast 30, 80, 100,000, and then 8 millions and 400,000 species of human life. Human life is not in large quantity. Out of that, mostly they are uncivilized. And very few Aryan families. The Aryan family, the Indo-European family, they are also Aryan. They are very few. The Europeans, they belong to the Indo-European group. The Americans, they also come from Europe. So, this group of human society is very few. There are rather many uncivilized groups. Therefore, Vedanta says, Atha. Now you have got developed human form of life, civilized life. You have got nice arrangement for your comfortable life, especially in America. You have got all material comforts. You have got cars, you have got good road, nice food, nice building, nice dress, nice feature of your body. Everything God has given you very nice.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,